his eyes. Got some coffee going on. See you guys. Oh, there you are. What you doing?
Packing.
Packing. Right, because it's that time, right?
Yeah.
Just to get ready for the day. Packing our tents, camping supplies, and all that fun stuff.
Tip number 1 for a good night's sleep camping: bring a good pillow.
Tip number 2, leave the campsite cleaner than it was. That's all. And then tip number 3 is have fun. Other than that, enjoy it. There you go. There you go.
You've got a bumper cover, don't you?
Oh shit, where'd you hit that?
Right back here. Little pop.
You know what that means?
It's an excuse to get a bumper.
Bingo!
Can't buy it till you break it.
Where's your fog light? Is it still there?
Still in there. Still in there.
Pretty good there, didn't it?
Trail fix.
Now you can turn your wheel at least.
Nothing like a trail fix. I do feel bad though. We gotta do what we gotta do, right? And it's an excuse to get a bumper.
Straight! Wheel straight!
Well, when you have spotters, it's a whole different story.
Good job, buddy.
Amazing spotter,
Thank you.
man.
We're turning that Overlander into a capable off-roader.
Oh, you know I'm a capable off-roader. Good job. Good job. It's good to have a good spotter, man, I'm telling you.
Well, all right, we'll keep moving.
We're not going through that.
Oh, there's no way I can go through that. Hey-o.
Lori, let her go.
I mean, for something with all-terrain tires that are almost bald, you went through more than I anticipated. That's f***ing gross.
Just as easy as that.
Yeah.
Just that stalk, I was worried about those ruts he was gonna high center.
Yeah.
Okay, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way.
Okay, trailer hits. It's kind of like a skid plate.
Yeah. At least he lets you know.
by now.
They suit you well.
Get back there. I was just saying, camping here would be nice.
There, look over here behind this rock.
Oh my God.
There's a whole bag there.
Holy sh! I can't believe people actually have the audacity to do that.
I wonder how quick I can pick this up. There's quite a bit of cans and I don't feel good leaving them here, so I'm gonna see if I can quickly run to the truck, see if I can start picking them up. Yes, one by one. Oh, that was heavy.
We are back on pavement just for a short period of time. It's gonna go head back into town, just get a couple small supplies, and then we're gonna go back onto the woods, do some camping, more camping. Let's go. We found our spot. We got the fire going, which is pretty awesome. And I think I'm just gonna enjoy it because nothing like a campfire at the end of a long wheeling day, especially challenging one. So let's do that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers. We've already enjoyed our breakfast, enjoyed our coffee, and now we're just gonna pack up. Kept it simple. Just gonna clean up a little bit and go from there. Yeah, we're just gonna take the dirt trail, just go home and check out a couple things as we go and enjoy the rest of the day. So
My shortest way home is this way, so I'm going
all right.
in through Upham that way.
All right, take it easy.
Talk to you later, guys. Have fun.
See ya!
Hey guys, it's the next day. We've unpacked, everything is put away. I just want to say thank you guys for joining on our 3-day adventure. It was fun to do a multi-day trip for once. And yeah, until next time, you guys take care.